Hey, what's up you guys? So today I wanted to show you guys how to shave. It's Father's Day. A lot of people, they may not have their dad around. Whether it's not acceptance, they are with us anymore, or they're just not supportive in that type of way. We do not all have our dads today. So, from your trans daddy, I'm gonna show you guys how to shave. I still want to keep some of it, but the cheeks, I need to clean up. So, first I'm gonna get my face wet. Today, I have some Art of Shaving shaving cream that I'm gonna use. And I also have their shaving brush. They're not sponsored, I just like them a lot. So, dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, dab. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get a fresh razor. It doesn't matter what kind. The cheapest for me, as long as it has like 4 blades, you're gonna wanna go, actually, I like to go with the grain and then against it, just so it's as close a shave as possible. I like to do my cheeks first too. Since it's not super long, I can just start out with this. But if your hair is getting long like this, you're actually gonna wanna trim it down first before you go on a full-on shave. Fresh. Let's see. Yeah, so I'd say that looks pretty good to me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put some aftershave on the places I actually was able to touch the razor to, not this part as much. Just pat it in my hands, then on my face. Feels so good, so fresh. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe below. Bye.